So this is where people said they had seen vampires.
That thing conscious.
Oh.
Enjoy. Listen to mother. Food comes.
Child. Care of him for.
Don't worry, food. If mother wants you to live for one more day, then you'll live for one more day. Nothing can harm you on my watch.
Ooh, you are a mama boy.
What's that?
Are you sure you don't want to have a bite? I mean, I won't tell anyone. I
I don't think so.
Come on. I know you. You want me. The door is closed, you know.
Dame tu cosita.